The Chinese military power is more stronger, more powerful than that of the Indian military power. लेकिन एक कहावत है दोस्तों, सचिन तेंदुलकर ने अपना रिटायरमेंट का स्पीच में हर जवान लोग के लिए एक एडवाइस देके गए थे और वो था कीप चेजिंग योर टारगेट, डोंट लुक फॉर शॉर्टकट। इसका मतलब डोंट फाइंड शॉर्टकट, कीप चेजिंग योर टारगेट। आपका टारगेट आपको चेज करते जाना है और इसके लिए आपको पेशेंस चाहिए। ब्रेट ली भी कहा था, ऑस्ट्रेलियन फास्ट बॉलर ब्रेट ली कहा था सचिन तेंदुलकर को हमें एक्स्ट्रा वक्त था शॉट को चूज करने के लिए। दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू कीप पेशेंस, you have to keep patience to understand the war, a big battle. Definitely the battle between China and India will be one of the biggest battle in the world history, because China has a very big military size and the India also a very big military size. If China has X number of tanks, then India has X by 3 or X by 4 number of tanks. That means if India has X number of military equipments, then China has 3x or 4x number of military equipments. So China is more ahead than that of India in the battleships also, or in the air support or air defense capability. And Indian military power is less in size than that of Chinese military power, but size is not a matter. In the military war, face to face war, the military equipments size is not a matter. It is the matter of government type, not the size of the military. You know, India is a country of democracy, but China is the People's Republic of China. The freedom of speech of India is more stronger than that of China, and that is the point. India will definitely win the war because India has more stronger allies. But in the war, in the battle, the size of the military is not matter. It is the matter of tactics, logistics supports, intelligence, the number of special service and the number of special service intelligence agencies, and India is ahead at that point than of China. This is the main point and reason why India will definitely win the war against China. Another difference is the type of the government. Like India is a country of democracy when China is the People's Republic of China, and their military is the military of the People's Republic of China. But there is another big point. China will never get involved in any battle with anyone right now, because China is one of the top emerging military and business power in the world at the moment. Now the size. You see, China is all ahead. India is sometimes ahead, but China is all ahead of India in everything, in size, in number, in equipments, in budget, in everything. China is ahead of India, and you will be surprised in this. Armored fighting vehicles and the rocket projects, everything China is stronger more than India. But this can never be a reason to win a battle against any country. But China has a big chance to win. That because of their patience. They will never get involved in any war against anyone. That's the point of this video.